Hello and good afternoon, everybody. Okay, so this is a quick video to go over my Doppelganger Find Your Celebrity Lookalike application on my blog. I've written it once already in Python, and now I'm writing it in C++. I'll go over the details here in a second, but I often like to do that where I rewrite it in C++, so I have a deeper understanding of the project I'm trying to build. And there's ways that you can put that into applications. So C++ works great with Qt, for example. And but I just couldn't find any. I wouldn't do this project again in C++. I would probably only do it in Python, or at least I'd build the files with the vector spaces, which I'll go over here in a second, um, in Python, and then I would build the file to read those vector spaces and then re-enroll a new image in C++ if I had to for an application, for example, a Qt application. But more than likely, I'd keep it in Python and just, if it was a web application, have it hit a server with a Python application running on it. Anyway, let me go over the details of what I've done here. So over here are my includes. Now there's some extra includes here that I ended up just using to for testing purposes, but I left them in here. Ended up really not even needing to use OpenCV for this one. I was able to use all of the Dlib packages. Um, did some mathematical operations just to test some stuff. But basically, what I did was I used a ResNet network, and I got this right off of the Dlib's documentation site. Just copied and pasted that actually, and I divided the process up into two parts. One was the enrolling of the data. And over here, what you do is you load the data, find find the faces, then find the points in the face, and then um, create a vector of those spaces. And you can see right here, this is where I enrolled the data, and that's mainly taking a large file of a whole bunch of celebrities and storing all their information in a vector. Or a matrix, Dlib matrix vector. So anyway, that particular application here in C++ is actually, well, I probably could have written it so it was faster, and I didn't really want to spend time trying to do that because I found that in Python this actually worked really well in NumPy, but I went ahead and did it in C++ just to see. So after all the images are stored in a vector, whenever you take another picture here, and you find the face and find the points, you find what it comes closest to relating to. And I divided those into two functions. One that puts together the initial file, and it puts it together as a CSV file over here, descriptor CSV. And then when you want to re-enroll a new person, it vectorizes the new person's face, and then it takes the CSV file and turns it into a map so that you can quickly scroll through it and find the name of the celebrity. I also went ahead for the C++ one. I went ahead and I altered the file so that the name of the file and the file had the name of the celebrity. So instead of having to have a separate file for that, I just incorporated it all into the the folder. So as you can see, whenever you run it, and I've already got it running here, to enter an image path. So I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to come to some test images if I can find them really quickly. Let's see, where are they? There, images. Let's go ahead and there's one right there. Let's go and just copy the path. Jump down here. That's the picture we're looking for, celebrity lookalike. Goes image found. Goes through and compares it. It says Amadi. Oh my, I'm not going to massacre that if I try to say it. I'm not very good. Just come down here and let's go and look him up real quick. Now I could have had it pop up with OpenCV. I just didn't feel like dealing with that. Today, where is he here? it's saying go to Amati. How did I L? There we go. And there's the file specifically. 5 zeros there, right there. And yes, so we've got a match there. Let's go and just try one more. So I'm just going to rerun the program. Now again, it's already got all the pre-enrolled celebrities in there. So all it's asking for is a new face here. So let's just go ahead and look under images. Yes, Sophia Slores. Let's just copy the path there. Come down here, just enter the path. So it's found that image, so it's now processing it. And it's saying Selena. We'll just open up the main. Let's actually just open up her image there. And let's just jump right back into here. Let's jump down to, these are all alphabetically. Quite a few here, actually. HJK. K. Where is she here? Oh, QRST. HJK. So Selena, S-E. I'm looking for S-E-L. S-E. Selena. And it's saying 156. And we've got another match. So as you can see, the program works pretty well. Again, I wouldn't do this again in C++. Or if I did, I'd do the first part in Python, and then only the second part in C++ if it had to be an embedded application of some sort. But it was a fun project to do. And if you have any questions, feel free just to email me. All the code is included in the blog below. And yeah, any questions, just give me an email. Thank you.